Welcome to our very first episode of Daddy Daughter Day. Today I have my special guest Abigail with us. You better watch out for this little one because she's a little thief and she will steal your heart away if you're not paying attention. So what we're doing today is we're going to be planting various different vegetables, and got my little companion here to help us with that. I also built a contraption to watch. Abigail, you're doing terrific. We are going to be growing carrots in this little contraption. This way we can watch them grow as the time goes on. But before we do that, we are going to have a mixture between dirt and paint. And we're going to go ahead and paint these mounts. While me and her are painting this, we'll go ahead and catch you up on how I went about building this. So I had like plexiglass laying around the shop, and I decided to make a little box for it. Obviously a much bigger scale than what we have here, but this was just to get an idea. And then the legs, built legs so we can actually elevate it and so we can see the actual growth. So this is the extra plexiglass I have. I already went out and drew all the measurements onto it. Then also have just this board laying around. I already started sketching out my plans on it. Well, now that these been cut very sloppy, we're gonna go ahead and start putting the plexiglass on here. Get that all cut up and then we'll frame it up. Okay, so those are the sides. They are cut to perfection. No, they're not. They're definitely not. And she's gonna lean in a little bit, but we can correct that afterwards. All right, time for leak check. Cross our fingers on this one. We got a leak. Good girl. Daddy. Dinosaurs.
Where?
Here in your bucket.
Can you get me?
You're welcome, Abby. Abigail, can you smile? Planning now. So we got a variety of different vegetables. We got radishes, lettuce, and peas. So this is all experimental, including this. So we'll see how it goes. This is all going to be indoor planning. We're not going to be doing any outdoor stuff since it is December. You're doing an excellent job, Abigail. High five. Good girl. Alright, you want to help me put some radishes in? It says 1/4 inch deep. So we'll probably plant 5 of these things. Here's the seeds. Oh. Alright. We need 5. 1. Can you put it in there? What comes after 1? 2. Alright. Can you say radish? It's pretty good. No, we'll leave the rest. Alright, now we're gonna grow some lettuce in this one. Yeah. Can you say lettuce? Close to me. Yeah, peas. Good job. Here. Say 1. Can you put it in there? Good girl. What's after 1? 3's after 2, but... Alright, put it in there. 3. So what are these? Good job. These are 3/4 of an inch deep. How many? Good job. We gotta press them in. So push that one in. Good girl. That's actually very close to 3/4 of an inch. No, those are like surface. We're not random radishes everywhere. Alright. I'll place them, you push them in. Okay, you got it. Alright, I'll relocate them. Good job. You gotta press the actual key. I'll turn it. Here, I got 2 more in my hand. Alright. Now, here comes the fun part. We gotta put dirt in here. Yeah, dirt. Good girl. Keep going. I like the way you're thinking, Abigail. No, you don't need any marker. Alright, can you press these in? No. Dad builds good stuff, but this is not one of them that I would put my name on. Okay. Alright. Now I gotta wait for the paint to dry on those. Put it all together. Put it on the table and wait patiently. Sound good? Hey, you did a good job. Knuckles. Good girl.
Ta-da!
Can you smile? Smile at the camera. That camera.
Cheese!